How to change a web page font size live. Hi, I'm the Tech Guy. Welcome to the Totally Tech Here channel. This is where I give you some quick start solutions. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the font size on a web page in real time. Even though I use CSS and jQuery, this is not a jQuery or a CSS tutorial as such. I like to call it quick start because I don't type out the script and explain it along the way. I give it to you ready made. And if you want to, you can copy it and adapt it and modify it to suit your own needs. If you want to learn jQuery or CSS, there are some great tutorials out there on the internet. For this video, I'm assuming that you're already comfortable with HTML, jQuery and CSS. If you are not, please watch anyway. You might just find something useful here. So when you look on the internet websites, font sizes are pretty much set in stone. And the only real way to adjust them is by adjusting the browser's zoom settings. But what if you wanted to give your visitors the ability to adjust the font size without the need to adjust the browser's zoom? I haven't come across a web page yet that gives you that option, but there may very well be. If you look here, you'll see there's a slider here, and then there's two links. If I click on this one, it'll increase the font size. If I click on this one, it'll decrease the font size. Then the slider, if I take the slider and I zoom it or slide it up and down, you see the font size changes without having to go into the browser and mess with the browser zoom settings. So the code for this looks like this. So if in my code editor, the markup looks like this. I use brackets, by the way. So there's a head tag, a HTML tag, there's a head tag. Then inside the head tag, I've got the script, which links to the jQuery library. I've got some styling here. And then just down here, this is the slider. And then this here are the two links, and then here I've got some paragraphs, a list and a table, just to give it some content. Then down here is the script. This is the script. This portion here runs or controls the links that increase the font size. And you see I've got the font sizes, they increase by 5 pixels each time. Then down here, this script here, this is one that runs the slider. So you see in here, I've changed this to paragraph. If I go here, if I change this, let's say I change this to let's say UL. And I save it. I go back to if I refresh this page, only the list items should increase and decrease. If I go back here and I change this to paragraph, the only thing you should see now is change. I didn't refresh. Okay, so only the paragraphs are changing. If I go back here and so a spelling mistake, let's fix that while we're busy here. That looks better. If I go down here and okay, so if I change this, if I put a star in here, an asterisk, which is a wildcard, which means everything will change. So I go save, and then if I go back here and refresh page, everything will now change. Okay. Same with here. If I take out this, let me just take out this. Okay. So what you should see here is when I click on the links, only the font size should change. Okay, but the slider still stays the same. I can actually put in here, you know what? If I put in here a star, an asterisk, and an asterisk there. So now if I refresh this page, this is what should happen. And of course slider still the same. Yeah, guys, and that's it, eh? So you can take this and modify it, adapt it to your own needs if you want to. That's it, eh? Thanks for watching. Enjoy.